This video reviews the Star Trac resistor kit installation and motor control board update. Required tools. Step 1. Secure the clip resistor assembly to the dust shield. Ensure the resistor wire harness is pointing to the left of the dust shield when installed. Step 2. Turn the machine off, ensuring the AC light is no longer lit. Do not touch the motor or any other component while the power is turned on. Once the treadmill is off, remove the motor cover shroud and then remove the existing dust shield. Step 3. Install the new dust shield resistor assembly into the treadmill. Step 4. Plug the resistor cable into the MCB where shown, location 8D. Step 5. Use a cable tie to secure the resistor wire to the upper right standoff on the MCB. Be sure to clip any excess tail off the cable tie once it's secure. Step 6. Locate the JP1 jumper on the motor control board. Unplug the jumper on JP1 and move it up one pin so it is now out of the norm position. This will allow for the MCB software to be updated. Step 7. Plug the cable connections into the bottom of the uploader. Step 8. Connect the RS-232 cable to the 10-pin connector on the MCB with the red wire facing pin 1. Then connect the 20-pin connector from the uploader to the MCB J2 I/O interface connector to power up the uploader. Note, it's important that the red marked cable of the ribbon cable gets connected as shown. Step 9. Turn the treadmill on. After 2 or 3 seconds, the red LED on the uploader should light up. Press the red button on the uploader once. Both green and red LEDs should blink on and off, then one LED will remain lit. Uploading takes about 15 seconds. If the red LED stays solid or comes up again, the upload did not work. You will have to check your connections and the location of the jumpers and repeat the procedure. If the green LED is lit solid, the upload was successful. Proceed to the next step. Note, please exercise caution when working around live electrical components. Do not touch the motor or any other component when the power is turned on. Step 10. Turn off the treadmill power. Unplug the uploader cables from the MCB. Plug the display cable of the treadmill back in and unplug the jumper from the JP1 and move it down one pin so it's now back to the norm position. Reinstall the motor shroud, turn the machine back on, and perform a functional test. Additional resources.